Agawan base. To play, divide into two teams with equal players, each having a designated base marked by objects like post. The objective is to capture the opposing team's base while protecting your own. Takyan. Players take turns hitting the takya with their hands or feet, trying to make it fall or go out of bounds. The team that successfully knocks over the takya or forces the opposing team to make an error scores points. Tumbang Preso. Tumbang Preso is a popular Filipino game where players try to knock down a can or bottle, typically filled with sand, by throwing slippers or other objects at it from a distance. The objective is to hit the can without stepping over the throwing line. Players take turns throwing, and the one who knocks down the can gets to be it or the next thrower. Jack Stone. Players take turns tossing the stones in the air and catching them on the back of their hand or with the same hand, while also bouncing the ball. Luksong Baka. Players take turns jumping over the baka, who gradually increases in height as the game progresses. The objective is to successfully clear the baka without touching or falling. Chinese Garter. Players take turns jumping over the garter, which is gradually raised higher. After each successful jump, the objective is to clear the garter without touching or tripping over it. Magellan Cross. Players draw a cross on the ground and take turns tossing a small object, like a coin or stone, onto the cross. Luksong Tinik. Two players hold their hands together in a peak, or have players sit with their hands forming a peak, and the other players take turns jumping over the peak without touching it. The objective is to successfully clear the tinik without touching or falling. Jumping rope. Jumping rope is a classic playground activity where one or more people swing a rope in a circular motion while one or more jumpers jump over it with a rhythmic motion. The objective is to jump over the rope without tripping or getting tangled. Hole-in. Played on the ground with small holes or hole-in dug into the earth, typically in a rectangular pattern. Players take turns rolling or throwing small objects, like marbles, pebbles, or shells into the holes, trying to get their object into a hole without going out of bounds or hitting other objects.